one time.
So I feel like to knock things off, we have to get the basic number one rule on the table, which is if you want to make money, this is not financial advice, guys. It's just for entertainment purposes only and for education. So if you want to make money in the space, right, you have to buy low and sell high. It's literally that simple. Buy low and sell high. But most people's mentality, I don't understand why, like to buy high and then sell low and think maybe they've made some money, but in actual sense you've just lost your money.
I think the psychology around that is people usually get in when things are good. They think, okay, they'll get better. And then, because they're that type of investor, they're not really committed to the process.
Yeah.
What happens is, when things start to go down, which they will, I mean, it's cryptocurrency, and it also
because
happens,
they've bought the top.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it also happens in the exchange market, like where people sell, you know, actual dollars and shit. So I feel like they start to panic when things are going down. They're not used to that process. People who have been in the crypto game for long know that these things happen. Like things go up, things go down, stuff like that.
So right now we're currently low. So if you're buying in now, just know you're buying in when it's low. Maybe not the lowest. Nobody knows.
It might go lower.
It might go lower.
Yeah.
But I mean, we're still low right now in a significant manner.
Yeah.
So 100%, if you buy Bitcoin right now, in the next bull run, you'll definitely make some money. And that's the time you're gonna need to sell.
And now the thing about that is, no one can tell you when the bull run comes. There are certain signs that people track, but no one knows for sure. So even us, we cannot tell you, yo, okay, now the bull run will come in a year. It might be 3 years, who knows? But one thing that we can assure you is that if you buy right now, you definitely make some returns later on.